cleaning mode.
Hello Internet world, welcome to my review of the HOBOT Legee D8 ECO Compactor. This is a robot vacuum cleaner. It was very kindly sent in to me by Solenco UK, who are the official UK distributor of this particular brand, and I can't wait to test it out and share my opinion with you. What you're seeing at the moment is the D8 on its dock, which comes supplied in the box, and that is plugged in with the supplied power adapter. Also inside the box we do of course get a user manual to get us up and running, and to get us up and running even quicker we also get a quick start guide. Additionally in the box we get this bottle here for adding liquid to the D8, because this is also a mop as well as a vacuum, and we get a spare filter as well. So before we see this up and running, let's take a look underneath this front flap just here. And it's really neatly laid out. We've got the main on-off switch. We've also got the ECO Compactor, and what this is where the dust is collected. So this is where all of your dirt and debris goes, and you can see that filter on the front here. Very, very easy to open and empty. We've also got the water tank just here. We've got a cleaning brush, and then this flap simply closes back down onto the unit itself. On the underside you can see this 4cm side brush. This is going to get debris from the skirting area of your carpets. We've also got the mopping system just here, and this is attached via Velcro, so if you wanted to clean this you can remove this and clean it if you want. And we've also got a really deep cleaning roller brush in here. Now these little sections here, this is what's connected to the water tank, and this uses an AI smart spray to spray your cleaning solution, and then it's obviously mopped up by this microfiber cloth. On this back section here we've got some extra sensors which use LIDAR, FDS and CLS detections, and it's like a little rubberized piece on here as well, so when it bumps into things it knows not to go any further and to turn around. This is a nice soft rubber as well, so it's not going to damage your furniture. And then there's also this stick up section on the top here, and I believe there are more sensors in here. It's going to use this basically to map out your room and to navigate around your room to make sure you get a thorough clean. So here you can see the app that accompanies the D8 robot vacuum, and it's a really nicely laid out app. You can see a row of icons down the bottom, and we've got standard mode currently selected. We've got a play or start button, we've got stop, we've got a home button as well, and then we've got this wheel in the middle, and in this wheel we can switch between various modes. And when we tap on a mode it gives us some voice feedback.
Power suction mode. Standard mode. Eco mode. Deep cleaning mode. Customized mode. Dry mode. Stain mode. Tangless mode. Standard mode.
We've also got a little drop down menu just here, and here we can go into a help guide, cleaning diary, schedule queue, remote control, quick mapping, also map settings, a Lulu clean selection there, and also a maintenance and management option. So what you're currently seeing is the D8 doing its quick mapping feature. So it's looking around for obstacles and mapping out the perimeter of the first room that I wanted to clean. Now I've put quite a few obstacles in its way for this process, purely just to see how it copes with multiple objects, and we'll see how long the process of mapping out this room takes. So the quick mapping took around about 5 or 6 minutes to complete, and it created quite a nice map of the room. I've currently set it on its first clean, and you can see it going right up to the edges of the skirting boards, and it's doing a really nice job of getting into all of the corners. Now I have placed a few obstacles in the way to see how it copes with that, but it seems to be doing a really good job, and that's after a really quick mapping function. The actual volume of the D8 whilst it's vacuuming is not too bad at all. So I've finished the first clean with the LEGEE D8, and to be fair, little squirrel here was a pretty awkward obstacle for it to avoid, but it actually avoided it really well and cleaned right up to the edges. Now I'm going to take a look in the compactor dirt bin very shortly, but something else I just wanted to highlight for you is that there are some Siri settings in here as well, so you can control the D8 via your voice. A really nice touch. There's also some controls directly on the cleaner itself, and you use these to stop and start or pause cleaning. There's also a home button and an M button as well, and you also press this to start the pairing mode to connect this to your Wi-Fi. Now let's take a look inside and see how much dirt it collected. So this is an ECO compactor, so this actually compacts the dirt as it goes in the box, and this means that you don't have to empty it as often. So let's just open this up. We'll try and do this one-handed and have a look inside, and as you can see in there, it did pick up a lot of dirt. Very, very good indeed, and that filter is really doing its job as well. So what are my closing thoughts on the HOBOT Legee D8? Well, this is one of the quieter robot vacuums I've tested, so it doesn't disturb you as much while it's doing its thing. Also, I love the ECO compactor to make emptying this less frequent, and also the suction power is very good indeed. I'm really impressed with the amount of dirt and debris that this picks up. I love the quick mapping function. It seems very accurate to navigate its way around your home, and as such I can highly recommend it. It looks the part and works extremely well. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. If you enjoyed my video, please do hit that like button, and I want to thank you once again for watching. I will see you in another video very, very soon.